In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and St. Richard's Primary won and decided to allow Homestead Primary to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Homestead Primary and Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after Titus?
Hebrews.
Incorrect. Philemon. St. Richard's, which book of the Bible comes immediately before Ephesians?
Jonah.
Incorrect. Galatians. Local affairs, it's a visual. Homestead Primary, look at the monitor and identify this person.
No, that's not Bernard. Richard Biles.
Richard Biles.
Incorrect. It's Mike Henry, MP. St. Richard's Primary, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Ralph Gonsalves.
Incorrect. It's Philip Henriquez, MP. Science, Homestead, what is the normal body temperature in degrees Celsius?
20 degrees Celsius.
Incorrect. It's 37 degrees Celsius. St. Richard's Primary, water boils and changes to steam at what temperature in degrees Celsius?
100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius.
That's correct. Television, it's a visual. Homestead, look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Tamili. We have to say something. Tamili.
No, don't.
St. Richard's, would you like to try?
No,
Thank you.
It's Caleb McLaughlin. St. Richard's, look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Johnny Brown.
Incorrect. It's Jaden Smith. English language, Homestead, which of these words is the odd one out? Brittle, delicate, sturdy, fragile.
Delicate.
Incorrect. Sturdy. St. Richard's, which of these words is the odd one out? Substitute, total, replacement, alternative.
Total.
Correct. Sports, it's a visual. Homestead, please look at the monitor and identify this person.
DeGrasse is in. His name is DeGrasse. Richard DeGrasse.
St. Richard's, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Andre DeGrasse.
That's correct. That's correct. St. Richard's, look at the monitor and identify this person.
No.
Brittany Anderson.
Incorrect. It's Shawnee Miller-Weebo. General knowledge, Homestead. On which continent is the Amazon forest?
Africa. South America.
Incorrect. It's South America. St. Richard's. On which continent is the Grand Canyon?
North America.
That's right. Social studies, Homestead. What is the name for the times when the sun is shining directly overhead at the equator?
No.
Summer. Just say it. Summer.
Incorrect. Equinox. St. Richard's Primary. What is the name for the times when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn before moving back towards the equator?
Solstice.
That's correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are St. Richard's Primary on 5 and Homestead Primary on 0. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Try not to study or do homework in front of the TV or while you're on your cell phone. Study time should be focused. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.